Hi, welcome to SolidEdge 2020 video tutorial, the next part in the WW-109 fighter plane series in SolidEdge. Today I want to create the main fuselage. Therefore I will need some profiles and I want to go for profile HH and LL. So let's do a sketch on the main sketch plane. Where is it? Section plane sketch should be let's go there, make a sketch on the main sketch plane. So let's go to HH, start with a line like this, go down, up and over there, make it for construction only. That small one as well. And I want to go for arcs. Tangent arc, yes, go here, go to that endpoint and draw it maybe up to this point here, then add another one down below there, go to the endpoint, go here, maybe like this, then add a 3-point arc. From this point to that point and maybe like this, then add some more tangent arcs. Let's see, from this point to that end point, make it tangent between this one and that one. Same down below, a tangent one, starting here at this point, going up to that point, and again add tangency between those two. Nice. Now let's select that profile in Cockpit, Control C, close that sketch and make a new sketch on plane H, which should be somewhere here. So I need a new sketch on plane H on this one. So let's hide the wing and the propeller. Would be here and there. Bring in that profile, Control V, and it sits somewhere here. Let's hide the image surface and bring back the lines, which should be my main body frame sketch. There it is, this one, yes. And I want to align it here. So let's go for a move. I want to move those from this point, or could I go for a connect? No, I have to use the move command. Move it from this point to that point right here. Okay, and now I need to scale because it would distort my profile. So let's see, do we have a scale? I think there is a scale as well, not here, but there it is. Let's go for a scale. Select those elements and The scale center point should be this one, and then I want to scale it a little bit up, maybe like this. And now I could try to connect this point here, that one, with this one. Yeah, that's it. That's okay. That should work. Okay. I will need almost the same. And this should be, of course, for construction. Same sketch on plane E, so let's go for plane E. Close this sketch and go for a sketch on plane E. Sketch E, bring in the profile, Control V, put it right there, and I want to do it the same way as I did it before. So let's go for a move. I want to move these from this point to the pierce point. And then I want to scale these elements. That would be the scale point, and let's see, move it maybe up here, and then go for a connect, or coincidence between this point and that pierce point, which should give me a nice profile here as well. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's okay. And close that sketch. Finish. Cancel this out. Now I need a profile L. So bring back that image surface and let's do a sketch on the main sketch plane. This one. Zoom out and go to this profile here. This should be for construction, the first part at least. So go here, draw. That's not, should be possible to do both. Is it active? Obviously that's not possible, so let's do it like that. Go here, go down, go over there. This should be for construction. This should be for construction. And yeah, that's interesting. So this should be for construction, and that should be for construction. Now let's go for a tangent arc, which starts here, goes maybe over there, one up here as well, maybe like that, and a 3-point arc, which starts here, goes down there, maybe like this, and then let's try to make tangent arcs from this point to that one here, add tangency, and here as well, from this point to that point, and add tangency here as well. Then select those elements, Control C for copy, close that sketch, and that would be a sketch on plane L. So go for a sketch, finish, go for plane L, and bring in the profile, Control V. should be somewhere. Put it there and hide the image, and it needs to go here. So I want to move those, and again I want to go for the lower end, and this should be, there it is, okay. And maybe I can do this without scaling, maybe. So just use that connect from here to that point. Yeah, I think that's okay. And close that sketch. I might have to edit those sketches if this doesn't work on these points. But let's close this sketch, finish, cancel this out, and now I should be able to do a blue surface or a swept. I've just noticed that this line is not for construction, but it should be. So let's go to the sketch and edit the profile. And this line should be for construction only. Close that sketch. Then finish. I want to hide those curves and bring in the extrudes because I want to use the edges of those extrudes as guides for my blue surface. So let's go for blue surf. First I want to select the cross sections. Let's start here, confirm, there, confirm, and this one, confirm. Next, let's go back to the guides. I want to use this edge as guide, make it tangent continuous, and confirm. Somehow the preview vanishes. Let's keep on. Select this one as guide. It comes back, great, and use tangent continuity here as well. Confirm. Great, and it vanishes, so go for the next step. It comes back, finish, cancel this out, and I've got a nice surface here. Great. Next I need a circle, a half circle on plane A, then a sketch on plane B, and a sketch on plane E. Let's hide the extrudes and bring back the curves on this one, and I will need my split plane because I want to split that surface with that split plane. Let's go for the split command, which is here. So I want to split. First click on a face. That would be the face here. Confirm. And now the split plane, this one. And confirm. Finish, cancel this out. And that gives me here that nice edge which I need. Great. Now I need a sketch on plane A. So go to Home, go to Sketch, go for plane A. And that would be a circle, a half circle. So I want to go for a circle, and yeah, let's put it not there, but maybe somewhere over here. Yes, that should be okay. And I need it to go to those points here. So how to do that? Let's see if it's already fixed. Seems it's already aligned there. So to get it to those pierce points. I will need a point, or I could split it and trim it. Let's use that line here and make it for construction and trim that circle. Where's the trim command? There you go. And I want to trim like this. And I should be able to use connect to put this one onto that pierce point, and down below this one here onto that pierce point, which is right there. Great. I will need to split that circle, that half circle. I could go for it right now. So we'll need a line, maybe like this. And I want to split it here. So where's the split? I think there it is. Split splits the selected element at a specific point. Let's try. I want to split this one here at that point here, if possible, at the cross point. Yeah, great. If I move this, will it adjust? Yes, so it's flexible. And this one should be for construction only. Close that sketch. Finish. Cancel this out. Now I need a sketch on the main sketch plane, and I need my image back. Go for a sketch on the main sketch plane. Where is it? There you go. And that would be which profile? Where is the profile? It's right there. BB. Let's draw those construction lines here. Okay. Make it for construction only. This one as well. And that one. Then go for a tangent arc, which starts at this point here, goes over there, maybe like this, and another one down below, maybe like that. Then go for that 3-point arc, which starts maybe here, goes there like this. Okay. Now 2 more tangent arcs. From this point to that point, add tangency. Same up here. Go for like this, and let's try tangency. Yeah. Let's move this, and that's okay. Let's delete this and try to select that endpoint and move it a little bit up there. That should help. And add a new, that could work. Let's see. Yeah. Now select those elements, Control C for copy, close that sketch, finish, and make a new sketch on plane B, this one. Bring in the profile, Control V, and put it right there. Let's turn this a little bit and hide the image. Okay. So I'm looking the wrong way, obviously. That would be the right view, the correct view, and let's move this with the move command. Select those elements and move it from this point here to the pierce point, which is right there. Great. And let's try to connect this point with the pierce point right there. Okay, let's undo, so I have to scale it. Go for scale, select those elements. Scale point would be of course this one, and then move it down a little bit, just a little bit, and then I might be able to use that connect here from this point to nope, that's really crazy, so I have to scale it even more. Scale, use that point to scale it, and scale it just below, and then use the connect from this one to that one. That should, no really, that's kind of annoying. So how to get this up there? I will delete this, it makes only, causes only trouble. Now let's move this one up there. Okay, then adjust this one a little bit in that direction, and this one a little bit in that direction, and add that tangent arc from this point up there, and add tangency. Kind of crazy, but it is like it is. And close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out. Now I need a sketch on plane E. Let's hide that sketch, those sketches. This one, and that one. And there's another one. Okay. And the sketch should be on plane E. So go for a sketch on plane E. And I need those edges here. So go for project. Okay, and I could go, that would be great if I get the complete one. So let's undo this and try to go for a wireframe chain. Let's see if we go here. That seems not to work. Okay, so let's go for a single wireframe, and it gives me, that's hard to see, maybe hide that surface. Yeah, nice. Now I need two arcs and a line. So let's go for a line which starts at the pierce point here, horizontal in that direction. This one should be for construction only, like that. And then I need two tangent arcs which connect. Okay, let's start here with a tangent arc, maybe like this. Okay, and another one which starts here in that direction, not up there, but okay. Let's try once more. Should start here and go to this point. Great. and make those two tangent. Nice. Okay. I will need a 3D spline, which is a key point curve here. And this should start at that point here. And let's bring back that split surface. And I might change this one a little bit. But let's try to go for the key point curve. Key point, is there another one? No, it's a key point curve. And this should start at this point, at this end point here, and go to this point and to that one, and that should be moved a little bit upwards. But I could start here as well. Let's try the other way around. Let's start here, go to that point here, and then try to get this end point here. Right click, and that would be edge of split face 9. And confirm. That's kind of crazy. So let's go here and check the tangency here. So that tangency is wrong. Okay, delete that key point curve. I would need that edge here. Could I get this edge? Project, intersection. That would be an intersection curve. Let's try the intersection curve. And I need to intersect this body with that plane, which gives me that curve I need. Finish, cancel this out. And now I could hide that surface, and let's do a curve from this point. From this one to this point and to that one. Let's zoom in to this point here and confirm. Now I want to change that sketch here. Finish, cancel this out. Let's go to that sketch 40, change the profile and just move this line up, which should give me a better curve right there. Great. Now let's check here the tangency. That would be the key point curve. Go for the definition and go to this button, and this should be tangent continuous, and confirm. Great. Finish. And now I could try to do my blue surfaces. Therefore, I want to hide that sketch. I think that's sketch 44. Yes. Because I want to use the edge of that surface here. So go for that split face. Now go for, and I need to hide, of course, the main body frame and bring in those extrudes. Now blue surf and select single. That would be okay. Let's select this profile here, confirm. Then go here and select those single elements. Nice. Confirm, and select this one here. This looks really nice. Confirm. And I would need tangency here. Next step. Looks really great. Now let's go for guide curves. And this would be one guide curve. And this doesn't work. Why? Because my key point curve goes here in the wrong direction. Amazing. So let's check this out and undo. Delete it, and I have to check my curve here, which is tangent but in the wrong direction. This should go in this direction, not in that direction. So how to edit this? By moving this grip in that direction. This should work, and finish. And let's try to do our blue surf once more. Blue surf. Select. That's okay. Then go for those 3 elements here, like this. Confirm, and select this one. Confirm. Let's try the guides. Go for next, just in case. Go back and try a guide. This guide. This seems to work right now. Let's confirm. And yeah, preview is gone. Select this guide. Preview is back. Confirm. Next. Finish. Cancel this out. That's really kind of irritating that this preview always vanishes. Now I could hide the key point curve and go for another blue surf. So again, single yes, select this one here, confirm, select this one and that one, confirm, and then select this not visible curve here, this one. So it should start, yeah, here. Really, I have to hide that surface. Okay, now let's go for that's okay. This one, confirm, go for next, go back to that guide curve step, use this edge, make it tangent, and then use that edge here as well, confirm this one, and go for this edge here. Okay, and that doesn't work. Why? So let's try it the other way around. Maybe that's not tangent, but it should be. I could check this out. That would be sketch number here. Let's edit that profile. Just check if there's tangency here between this one and that one. Finish and try to edit this blue surf definition, and I've got tangency here. There is no need for tangency here, is not as well. Let's go for the guide curve. Select it, and yeah, now it works. So that was the problem. This was not tangent. Great. Next, finish. Okay. That gave me a really nice surface here. So let's bring back that split face and hide that intersection curve as well. Okay. Now I can go for the cut of the cockpit, but first I need to extend this one here in that direction, maybe change that curve here as I did in the other programs. Okay, so I need to extend that surface. So go for extend, select the edge, confirm, and you want to go for finite extend and maybe like this. Finish, cancel this out. And now I might first draw my cockpit cut. So bring back that image, there you go. And I need to hide that surface. That would be that split here. So I can draw my sketch and hide the extrudes and do a sketch on the main sketch plane. There you go. Let's zoom out, pan, and draw a profile, which should maybe hide this one as well, those blue surfs. Okay, now let's draw that one here like this, in this direction. I could snap on that plane, that's okay. And then like that. Okay, and I need this E-plane aligned with that one. So, where's my collinear? I want this to be collinear with that plane, and that was plane E, if possible. Not really, so I want to go, let's bring it and make a connect. Use this point and put it onto the plane. That should work. And maybe move this point a little bit if possible, or that line like this. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. And close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out and hide the image. Okay. Now let's do an extrude, and I could hide those sketches, by the way. Okay, go for a surface extrude with that sketch in that direction, maybe 500. Finish, cancel this out. Now let's bring back the surfaces. This would be that, where is it? That split. Now I can trim, so go for trim, and I want to trim this surface here, this one, with that one, not single but with a body, this body, and I want to remove this part here and confirm. Finish, cancel this out, and now I can hide this extrude and trim with that split plane this part. So go for another trim. I want to trim this body, confirm with that plane, confirm, and I want to remove just this small triangle part here, confirm, finish, cancel this out. Now let's bring back one of the extrudes. Which one? Nope. That one, yes. And the blue surf. Yeah, this one would do, but I can bring back this one as well. And now I need a blue surf surface or a swept. So which way to go? For blue surf I would need at least 2 cross curves. For swept I could try a swept. Let's try a swept. Multiple paths and cross sections. So I would need that would give me the complete part, which I don't need. So I would have to split here that surface first. So let's go for a split. I want to split that extrude here, this one, with that plane here. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Let's hide that plane, and of course I could split this one as well. No, let's see. Let's go for a swept. And let's try this as not a chain but single. One path, and this another path, and go for the cross section next, and the cross section would be this one. Let's see if this works. Preview. Yeah, that should do. Finish. Cancel this out. Bring back that extrude. And now trim once more. So trim, I want to trim that small surface here. Confirm with this body. Confirm. And I want to remove this part here. And confirm, finish, cancel this out. Okay, let's hide that extrude because I don't need it anymore. And now stitch those together. So go for stitched. I want okay, and I want to use this surface, that surface, this one, and that small one here. Preview, finish, cancel this out. And now I want to trim this body with that body. So go for another trim. I want to trim this body here, confirm, with another body, that body here, confirm, and I want to remove the outside, and confirm, finish, cancel this out, and I'm done. So hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.